I'm Kelly from Just a Taste, and I'm always looking for ways to take an ordinary breakfast and turn it into something extraordinary. So today we're starting off with classic French toast that we're turning into the ultimate strawberry cheesecake stuffed French toast. It's part breakfast, it's part dessert, and it's 100% delicious, indulgent, and amazing. So to start off, I've got some sourdough bread that I've cut into about 2-inch thick slices. And then I'm also gonna cut a pocket on the side of each piece of bread, and that's where our cheesecake filling is gonna go. So we'll get right in the middle here. And one little trick anytime you're making French toast, whether it's stuffed or otherwise, is you want to start off with stale bread. So I actually bought this loaf of bread yesterday and I had it sitting out because the drier the bread, the more of the custard it's going to soak up and it's going to have all that rich, amazing flavor. I'm going about halfway through, so we don't want to cut all the way through, obviously, or the filling will go through the other side. Just enough there that I have a little bit of an opening to get our filling inside. And today I'm using sourdough bread. You could use literally whatever bread you have on hand. French baguette also works really well if you want smaller slices. So we'll set those guys aside while we make our cheesecake filling. To make our filling, I'm gonna start by adding cream cheese to the bowl here. And then I've diced up some fresh strawberries. And then for a little bit of a citrusy kick and to really brighten up the flavors, I've got fresh lemon juice and freshly grated lemon zest. And last but not least, a splash of vanilla extract. Now I'm gonna give this a quick blend with our hand beater. You could also use a stand mixer or just your guns if you don't have either of these pieces of equipment, but I like this because it really breaks down the cream cheese and makes a really creamy filling. The filling is done, so I'm gonna set this aside, and now we're gonna make our custard, starting off with heavy cream, cinnamon and sugar, and then 4 large eggs. Give this a quick whisk. Now it's time to stuff, dip, and then cook our French toast. You get a good amount of this strawberry cheesecake mixture. You want to get just enough in there so that the bread still closes easily. That looks pretty good. Into the custard we go, and you want to make sure that you coat the bread on all sides with the custard, and then shake off any excess. And onto the hot griddle we go. After 1 to 2 minutes, you'll see that the bread is getting nice and golden brown on the bottom, so we're gonna flip it once, and then continue cooking about another 2 minutes just until it's golden brown. And that right there is how you win brunch. For the full recipe, check out justataste.com.